a super tech. Gets his jobs done before 4. He's a super tech. We love the lurkers. We love the lurkers. Alright, here's our little unit. She's running warm. We're getting the HA code. Cell control, and let's see what we're working on. Take this off so I can get to the condenser and clean the condenser. It looks dirty. The way to put it on these, you gotta take this off, move it aside, get to the condenser. Let's see what's happening here.
So not too long ago, about a year ago, I had the compressor replaced.
We're low on charge. I don't feel any heat coming off my condenser here. You said it had froze up before?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all the typical signs that we're low on gas. Then it's probably low enough on gas to where it can't cool. We'll pull this out here and take a peek at it.
And it's all over. Like yesterday, it 1 minute say it's 55, next minute it was like 45. It'd just be all over the place.
Yeah, cool. It looks like the side panel comes off too. Let me take a look here. More room, the better.
Yeah, absolutely.
You guys been hanging in there?
Yeah, you know, June was really good considering.
Right.
And then we were operating at about 75%. And then right before 4th of July, the news got bad, and we're down about 50% now. So it's a little bit harder. Restaurants are starting to open up. I see H.V.A.C starting to open up.
I thought they went backwards and it's outdoor dining or to
at
go.
least outdoor, yeah. But at least now, some of them were all closed automatic. They're all created.
My wife's restaurant's closed right now until they figure out how to do the outside stuff because they're upstairs. She works at Rosie McCann's.
Oh yeah.
So they're gonna shut down for like 7 days.
And try to.
Well, because they got to figure out how to get all the food and drinks from the upstairs to the downstairs if they're going to serve outside. They're in a pickle.
You know, go downtown Las Gatas. All they took parking away.
Yeah, they did that in Hollister too. I saw. It's smart.
Yeah, you know, so now everybody's down and parking down. And you can be able to eat outside.
Oh, you know what? I wonder. Do you know if this fan was running?
Yeah, it's pretty running, I think.
All right. I see the coil super iced up.
Yeah.
28 ounces, 134A. So let's see if we can get this coil de-iced. Yeah. The ice got a little bugger. To the max. Iced up to the Maximus. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna grab a gauge and we'll check the charge on this thing. Let's see if we can get it to the ice. It only has one sensor, which is the room sensor. Compressor is number 9. So we'll take the compressor loop off. We'll let the fan run so the coil will de-ice. Iced up coil of Titus to the max. Still a bunch of ice in the drain pan. melted off a bunch. I'll let the fan and the air melt the rest. Iced up coilotitis, breaker 19. I got the drain pan. It was all froze, got it unfroze, so I'm just waiting to get most of the ice off of this thing. I reprogrammed the thermostat. See, my pressure's coming up now because the coil's de-icing. And we're gonna have an overflow. Okay, on that video there, I was shop vacuuming out the drain pan. I shop vacuumed out the keg, where the kegs were. Hold on a second.
Copy, good night.
Look, there's always shit going on up the coast. Crashes and burns. I was listening. You guys ever do that? I did. Okay, so I had the shop vac out. The ice was melting. The inside where the kegs were was all full of water, so I shop vac that out also. You know, go the extra mile for your customer, especially now, you know, it's going to get real dicey out there. As time goes forward, man, work's going to get weird, man. We all know this. Basically, the stat was set too low. It was set at 33 degrees. The coil iced up. The charge was fine. I misdiagnosed that talking to the customer in the video. I have a little bit of diarrhea at the mouth sometimes when the customers are around. I'll admit it. We all do it. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. You watch my videos, you know. Jabber jaw. Hey, I can laugh at myself. So, wasn't low on charge. Coil was iced up. The controller needed mega programming. And the coil de-iced. The thing's working fine now. The charge is fine. It's all good. And that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a huge favor. Hit the like button or hit the thumbs down button. However you feel about it, it's fine with me. And smash that subscribe button. It really, really helps. I haven't asked for much from you guys, but I will ask if you guys could hit the subscribe and the like button would really help me out a bunch. I do have the neck gaiters coming. They'll be similar to this with the super cool material. It'll have the NorCal logo. As soon as those become available, I'm only going to have about 100 of them available. We can do it through PayPal or a Venmo. When I get them, I'll set it up with a link so you guys can get some. I got stamps for $1, so the total cost will be $10 shipped in the United States. I bought a bunch of envelopes. I bought the stamps, and the neck gaiters will be coming. I'm not going to be doing super well on it. It's just something to do, you know. I actually got 125 coming. I'm going to keep 25 to give out to my customers and some friends, and I'm going to sell 100 of them. So I hope you guys want them, and I'll get them out to you guys. All right. Other than that, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, help a brother out. All right. Have a great week, you guys. Bye.